Hello students, welcome to Sources classes. Today we'll be solving the IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics paper of year 2018. Today we'll be solving question number 2. In question number 2, we need to find out the value of limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 2 by n to the power n square into e to the power minus of twice n. So this is what we need to find out. The options are e to the power minus 2, e to the power minus 1, e and e square. So let's begin. So we've been given, we need to find out limit 1 plus 2 by n to the power n square into e to the power minus of twice n, where n tends to infinity. So what we'll do, we'll try to assume that we'll take a number m, let m be equal to n by 2. So as n tends to infinity, m tends to infinity. So we can replace it by limit m tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by m to the power 4m square into e to the power minus of 4m. So we can write this as limit m tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by m to the power m by e to the power whole to the power 4m. So now this you can take as equal to L, say. So if we take log of L, this will give us log of limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by m to the power m upon e whole to the power 4m. Now the log will take the log inside, so this will give us limit of log and this this will be m tends to infinity, and here also it will be m tends to infinity. Similarly here it will be m tends to infinity log of 1 plus 1 by m to the power m by e whole to the power 4m. So if we break it down, this will give us the 4m will come outside, limit m tends to infinity, the 4m come outside, and log of this will become m log of 1 by 1 plus m minus log e will be equal to 1. So this is the structure that we are getting. Now we know that log of 1 plus 1 by m is given by 1 by m minus 1 by m whole square by 2 and so on. So m into log of 1 plus 1 by m will be given by 1 minus 1 by twice of m and so on. So m log of 1 plus 1 by m minus of 1 will be given by minus 1 by twice m. Let us write this down. 1 by m whole cube by 3. So this will be 1 by 3m square and so on. So this will be plus 1 by 3m square and so on. So definitely we can write that m into m log, so 4m into not 4m into m log of 1 plus m minus of 1 will give us, so if you multiply 4m, so this will give us minus of 2 plus 4 by 3 m and so on. So if we take this limit, this will give us limit m tends to infinity 4 of m into m log 1 plus 1 by m minus of 1. This will give us minus 2 plus 0 and so on. So this will be equal to minus of 2. So basically what we are getting is that this is equal nothing but equal to limit of log L where m tends to infinity. This is equal to minus of 2. So this gives us log of L is equal to minus of 2, and this will give us that L is equal to e to the power minus 2, which is the option A. So today we have solved question number 2 from the IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics question paper of year 2018. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.